Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to find and download Facebook video. So just choose a specific video, then click on three dots right here, then click copy link. After that, just go to your browser and open website called fdown.net, and after that just paste your link right here and click download. So after that you'll see your video, so just scroll down and you'll see two buttons, first for download in normal quality and second for download in HD quality. So let's try normal quality. So click on that and you will see view or download. Just click on download and that's all. So hope you guys you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.